Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about finding a good WordPress theme that's free and offers a lot of options to customize and to create new elements, and especially for people who doesn't have good knowledge of programming or of developing a website. So something that delivers everything inside, that has all the paid features, but at the same time is free. As you can see on my screen, we have like the themes in WordPress, and we have really a lot of themes here, and you get easily lost in all these options. And for me, after trying a long time, I found this good solution. It's a combination of a theme and a plugin. And yeah, these are the options. First, you need to install the 20 theme, and then you need to install the 20 plugin. And each one of them is working with the other, and at the end, you will have an amazing solution, a free solution that work even with WooCommerce plugin. So even if you want to start an online shop, these two options are going to help you. This is not a promotion. This is not a paid collaboration. This is just a solution that I have tried a couple of times. And after searching, as I said, for a long time, this is really one of the best solutions that I found in WordPress. As I said, you need to install the 20 theme and then install 20 plugin. And there is this 30-second setup. You can watch it. It's a video on how to install them. And I'm going to show you the back end of my website to see these two options. So here we have the 20 plugin. And here you can import like some dummy content to fill in the page, and you can import ready to use website. You can even explore library here, and here you can see, okay, I need a portfolio starter, business starter, blog starter, personal starter. And here you can read about the options that this solution provides. I'm going to go back to show you other options. Like when we create a page, let's go to pages and let's create a page. Let's name it test. And then we can go to the plus here on top left, and then we can go to patterns, and under patterns we can find a lot of options. And these options are coming from the 20 and 20 and 21 theme. You can see this amazing design is just with one click. You can see also this is all part of the solution that we are talking about. I'm not going to make the video long. I think you got the idea. You just need to test both of them. Just install the plugin, the theme, and then activate the theme, the plugin, and then start using them. That's it for today. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.